Hey everyone, so this is a really cool old 1963 Ford F350 dually. Has a V8 engine in it. I don't know which one it is, guys. I obviously ain't gonna scrape all the grease off. The engine does appear to be stuck. I was not able to get it to turn. We can see the front body has a few little dents. Other than that, it's in really good shape. A little bit of rust there in that cab corner. There's your interior. It's got the 4-speed manual transmission with reverse. There's your odometer. Had the old wooden flatbed on it. See, the tires need replaced, but still kind of a highly sought after collector body here. Cool old truck.